Hey guys, Connor Moore with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to give you guys a look at a brand new 2023 Harris 230 Sunliner Sport. Let's go ahead and start on the outside, talk about this sweet color, and then jump on the inside. So to start off with, I want to point out this brand new color to 2023 being sage green, matched up with the powder coated rails, gives this boat just an incredible look on the water and extremely unique. Of course, you can also notice that we do have some LED docking lights and navigation lights. That way, when you're pulling up to the dock at night or just navigating down the lake, you can easily be seen by all of your passengers, all your boaters around you. Now, as we go back towards the stern here, I want to show you guys a really unique feature here, being our quick release fenders. Pop those guys off really quick and easy, so that way, if you're a little overcumbered and don't have the ability to, reach into compartments and tie stuff, you can get that done very, very quickly. Now back here on the stern, I want to point out what's powering this thing, being a Mercury 175 horsepower outboard. Got a lot of bottom end torque, but also a very quiet and efficient motor. So that way, when you're just going down the lake for a nice, easy cruise, it could do that, or ramp up the RPMs and be able to pull a tuber or skier on this and have a lot of fun. Now, it's also featuring one of our most popular layouts, being the Sunlounger with the dual helm seats. This is a 3-position Sunlounger as well, so that way you can either have this set up in the full position for the most capacity or lay it down like I just did, so that way you have a really, really nice platform to spend your time in the water. Now, as we walk a little bit more midship here, I want to point out our really nice helm chairs. As you can see here, you got the cross-stitch centers, giving you that really warm and great feel when you're in the interior of this boat. Of course, you have 360-degree movement, and also adjustable backs as well as your armrests. So ability to lounge out and be comfortable on this is endless. Then going over to our helm over here, we do have a Simrad chart plotter. It's going to help you navigate around your body of water and also see what's going on with the Mercury outboard engine as well. Then we also do have the JL Audio upgrade package for the sound system. So you got 2 speakers up in the front, 2 midship, and then 2 more rear facing. Lastly, this being the sport model, it is necessary to have this center ski locker, so that way you can take your toys, store them out of the way, so that way, you could use your rest of your storage compartments for life jackets and things of that nature. All right, guys, my name is Connor Moore with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Our number is 803-831-2101. If this is a boat you'd like to hear more information about, or maybe even schedule a test drive, let us know. Thank you guys for watching.